how to pay with PayPal on website. To pay with PayPal on website, you want to select PayPal at a checkout, which will redirect you to log into your PayPal account. So all you need to do is, first thing first, create a PayPal account. Make sure that you have a PayPal, and also make sure that you have enough funds. Along with that, make sure to link your bank account or credit card details as well. And you also need to verify it for the transaction. If you've not verified, then it's going to be quite difficult for you to transfer the funds. So now what you need to do is just select any website where you want to check out with PayPal. All right, so you could go with any website. Now for example, let's say I'm just gonna use the Temu on my web version, and then try using it paying with PayPal. So when you go to the Temu section here, you would check out and select whether you'll be able to find the PayPal as a checkout method. Then it's just gonna ask you to actually enter in the credential of your PayPal account. So now let's see, this is the product that I want to buy. So now I'm going to click on the buy now. Once again, click on the buy now button. And I have to verify, or I need to log into my Temu account as well. And then you could see here, if you have these PayPal option right over here, you want to select that PayPal. And then you want to go ahead and make sure to enable all sort of permissions and follow the on-screen prompt in order to use PayPal on website. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.